Imagine this: you're gliding down a scenic highway, the world outside a blur as you sit in the lap of luxury. The engine purrs softly, the cabin is whisper quiet, and every detail around you exudes sophistication. This isn't just any car, this is a luxury car, a machine that redefines what driving can be. If cars had a personality, luxury cars would be the refined, confident leaders, the ones that effortlessly blend power, elegance, and innovation. They're not just cars, they're statements that say you don't just drive, you command the road. Luxury cars aren't just vehicles, they're legends. From the timeless elegance of a Rolls-Royce Phantom to the cutting-edge technology of a Tesla Model S Plaid, these machines have set new standards for what cars can achieve. They're the vehicles of choice for those who refuse to compromise, those who want the thrill of a high-performance machine without sacrificing the comfort and sophistication of a luxury car. But what makes luxury cars so special? Let's take a closer look, because these aren't just cars, they're masterpieces of speed, design, and innovation. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about luxury cars in general. Myth number 1. Luxury cars are all about comfort, not performance. Wrong. Many luxury cars, like the Mercedes-AMG GT and Porsche 911 Turbo S, are as thrilling to drive as they are luxurious. Myth number 2. Luxury cars are impractical and expensive to maintain. Think again. While they may come with a higher price tag, luxury cars are often packed with advanced technology and features that make them more practical and user-friendly than ever before. And myth number 3. Luxury cars are only for the rich and famous. Not true. While they may be aspirational, luxury cars are more than just status symbols, they're feats of engineering that push the boundaries of what's possible. They're not just cars, they're versatile, high-performance machines. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with luxury cars even more. Did you know that the Rolls-Royce Phantom features a starlight headliner with over 1,000 fiber optic lights that mimic a starry night sky? That's right, this isn't just a car, it's a work of art. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus became the first production car to break the 300 mph barrier, reaching a top speed of 304.773 miles per hour, 490.484 kilometers per hour. It's not just fast, it's mind-blowingly fast. To put that into perspective, these cars can outpace most supercars and even some hypercars, and they do it with a level of precision and engineering that's truly awe-inspiring. They're not just cars, they're glimpses into the future of automotive performance. But luxury cars aren't just about raw power, they're also about comfort and craftsmanship. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that feels like a first-class lounge. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, the cabin is whisper quiet, and the attention to detail is second to none. From the handcrafted wood and metal accents to the state-of-the-art infotainment systems, every element is designed to make you feel pampered. The Bentley Continental GT, for example, features a rotating display that can switch between a touchscreen, analog dials, or a sleek veneer panel. It's not just a car, it's a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the chaos of the world and focus on what really matters. Think about the last time you saw a car that made your heart race. Luxury cars are here to bring that feeling to life. With their sleek, aerodynamic designs and timeless styling, they're cars that demand attention wherever they go. The design isn't just for show, every curve, every vent, every detail is there to enhance performance. The active aerodynamics on the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera aren't just styling cues, they're there to reduce drag and improve stability at high speeds. Even the scissor doors on the Lamborghini Aventador are specially designed to make a statement, combining form and function in perfect harmony. They're not just cars, they're works of art. Now, let's talk about performance, because luxury cars aren't just about looking good, they're about delivering a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is unforgettable. The Mercedes-AMG GT-R is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers 577 horsepower, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The Porsche 911 Turbo S features a 3.8-liter twin-turbo FLAT6 engine that produces 640 horsepower, making it one of the fastest cars in its class. And the Tesla Model S Plaid, with its tri-motor electric powertrain, delivers 1020 horsepower and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.99 seconds. They're not just cars, they're track-ready hypercars. But what really sets luxury cars apart is their commitment to innovation. These are cars that prove you don't have to sacrifice performance for sustainability. With advancements in hybrid and electric technology, luxury cars like the Porsche Taycan and Audi e-tron GT are leading the charge toward a greener future, offering zero-emission performance without compromising on speed or power. They're not just cars, they're symbols of what's possible when innovation meets ambition. So, what do luxury cars mean for you? They're a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have speed and sustainability, power and precision, adrenaline and artistry. They're a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and daring as you are. They're cars that don't just take you places, they take you on a journey. Whether you're tearing up the track, cruising down the highway, or turning heads at a car show, luxury cars are vehicles that make every moment unforgettable. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of speed, and the beauty of iconic design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most legendary vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. Luxury cars aren't just cars, they're dreams. Dreams that say you can have it all: speed, sustainability, and soul. They're cars that don't just push limits, they shatter them. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of luxury cars? Because these aren't just cars, they're a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.